Good night. My name is Anjibala Charri Zúñiga. Below, I present a summary of my academic career. I began my journey studying high school. After that, I began studying system, which was assigned by the school where I completed my high school study. I finished it but did not continue practicing. I am currently studying online to become a technology major in logistics, process coordination through the National Learning Service (SENA). My start in logistics process coordination led me to see opportunities in the commercial fields. Thank you.